Hello my dear students, today in this class we are going to discuss about division of 6 and 7 digit number by a 2 digit number and also division of 7 digit numbers by a 3 digit number. First, let us learn how to divide 6 and 7 digit number by a 2 digit number by solving problems. We have to divide 1,96,938 by 42. Here 42 is a divisor and 1,96,938 as dividend. Here the divisor has 2 digit number and here if we consider the two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 19, but this 19 is less than this 42. We cannot divide 19 by this 42. That's why we have to consider three leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 196. Now we have to find out how many 42s are there in 196, or we can say which number is less than or near to this 196 in the table of 42. First we have to consider the first leftmost digit of the divisor, that is 4, and two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 19. Now we have to find out which number is near or less than this 19 in the table of 4. That is 4 4s are 16, right? If we consider the 4 5s are 20, that 20 is greater than this 19. That's why we have to consider 4 4s are 16. 4 may be the leftmost quotient. Now let's check 42 4s are. 42 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 60. We get 168. If we consider the 42 5s are, 5 2s are 10, then 1 carry, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. We get 210. This 210 is greater than this 196. That's why we have to consider 42 4s are 168. 4 is the quotient, then 168 should be written below this 196. Now we have to subtract 168 from this 196. 6 minus 8. 8 is greater than this 6. That's why we have to borrow from this 9. 16 minus 8, that is 8. Then here we left 8. 8 minus 6, 2. Now we have to bring down this 9. Okay. How many 42s are there in 289, or which number is near or less than this 289 in the table of 42? Let's find out. Here the first leftmost digit of the divisor, that is 4, and here we have to consider the two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 28. And this 28 is directly divided by this 4 on 7, right? 4 7s are 28. Let's check 42 7s are. 42 7s are, 7 2s are 14, then 1 carry, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 1, 29. We get 294, but here the number is 289. This 294 is greater than this 289. Let's check with 42 6. 6 2s are 12, then 1 carry, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. We get 252. So here 6 is the quotient and 252 is written below this 289. Now we have to subtract 252 from this 289. 9 minus 2, 7. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have to bring down this 3. Now we have to find out which number is less than or near to this 373 in the table of 42. Again here we have to consider the first leftmost digit of the divisor, that is 4, and two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 37. Which number is near or less than this 37 in the table of 4? 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. 4 9s are 36. 36 is the near to this 37. Let's check with 42 9s are. 9 2s are 18, then 1 carry, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 1 37, we get 378. But this 378 is greater than this 373. Let's check with 42 8s are. 8 2s are 16, then 1 carry, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 1 33, we get 336, and here the quotient is 8 336. 3 minus 6, 6 is greater than this 3, that's why we have to borrow 1 from this 7. 13 minus 6, that is 7, then 6 minus 3, 3 minus 3 0. Okay, and here we have to bring down this 8. Now we have to consider 378 as dividend. Students, we know that 42 9s are 378, right? This 378 is directly divided by this 42 on 9. So 9 is the quotient, then 378. Subtract this 378 from this 378. 8 minus 8 0, 7 minus 7 0, 3 minus 3 0. We get remainder as 0 and quotient as 4689. Like this, we can divide the 6-digit number by a 2-digit number. Let us learn how to divide 7-digit number by a 2-digit number. Divide 20,44,406 by 36. Here divisor has 2 digits and dividend has 7 digits. Now we have to consider the two leftmost digits of the dividend, that is 20. But this 20 is less than this 36. That's why we have to consider 3 leftmost digits of the dividend, that is 204. Now we have to find out how many 36 are there in 204, or we can say which number is near or less than this 204 in the table of 36. Let us find out. Here we have to consider first leftmost digit of the divisor, that is 3. And here two leftmost digits of the dividend, that is 20. Which number is near or less than this 20 in the table of 3? That is 3 6 are 18. If we consider the 3 7s, that is 21. That 21 is greater than this 20. That's why we have to consider 3 6 are 18. 6 may be the leftmost quotient. Let's check with 36 6 are. 6 6 are 36, then 3 carry, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 21. We get 216. But this 216 is greater than this 204. Let's check with 36 5s are. 5 6 are 30, 0, then 3 carry over, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18. We get 180, so 5 is the quotient, then 180. Let's subtract 180 from this 204, 4 minus 0, 4, 0 minus 8. Now here we have to borrow 1 from this 2, 10 minus 8, that is 2. We have to bring down this 4. Now we have to consider 244 as dividend. Let's find out which number is near or less than this 244 in the table of 36. Again here we have to consider the first leftmost digit of the divisor, that is 3, and here two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 24. This 24 is directly divided by this 3 on 8. 3 8s are 24. 8 may be the quotient. Let's check 36 8s are. 36 into 8, 8 6 are 48, 8 then 4 carry, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4, 28. This 288 is greater than this 244. So, let's check with 36 7s. 7 6 are 42, 2 then 4 carry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4, 25. We get 252, but this 252 is greater than this 244, right? So, let's check with 36 6. 6 6 are 36, then 3 carry, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. We get 216. We can consider 216, and here 6 is a quotient. 216. Now we have to subtract this 216 from this 244. 4 minus 6 means 14 minus 6, that is 8. Here we have left 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Here we have to bring down this 4. Now we have to consider 284 as dividend. Let's check which number is near or less than this 284 in the table of 36. We know that 36 8s are 288, right? So this 288 is greater than this 284. That's why we have to consider 36 7s, that is 252. Here 7 is the quotient, then 252. 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 5, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have to bring down this 0. Now we have to consider the 320 as dividend. Let's check which number is near or less than this 320 in the table of 36. 36 tens are, that is 360, right? That 360 is greater than this 320. So let's check with 36 9s are. 9 6 are 54, 4 then 5 carry over, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5, 32. We get 324. But this 324 is greater than this 320. So let's check with 36 8s are. 36 8s are 288, right? And here 8 is a quotient, then 288. Now we have to subtract 288 from this 320. 10 minus 8, that is 2. 11 minus 8, that is 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have to bring down this 6. 326. Now we have to find out which number is near or less than this 326 in the table of 36. That is 324. If we consider the 36 tens, that is 360, right? 360 is greater than this 326. That's why we have to consider 36 9s up. 9 is a quotient. Then 324. 6 minus 4, 2, then 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. We get remainder as 2 and quotient as 56,789. Like this, we can divide 7-digit number by a 2-digit number. Let us learn how to divide 7-digit number by a 3-digit number. Divide 36,82,579 by 837. Here we have the divisor, that is 3-digit number, and dividend is 7-digit number. Right. Let's start the division, and here the divisor is 837 37, that is 3-digit number, and here we have to consider 3-digit number, that is 368. But this 368 is less than this 837. That's why we have to consider 4 leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 3682. Now we have to check which number is near or less than this 3682 in the table of 837. Let's find out. And here in the divisor we have to consider first leftmost digit, that is 8. And here we have to consider 2 leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 36. Which number is less than or near to 36 in the table of 8? That is 32. 8 4s are 32. 4 may be the leftmost quotient. So let's check with 837 4s are. 4 7s are 28, then 2 carry, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 4 then 1 carry, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33. We get 3348. So let's check with 837 into 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 then 3 carry, then 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18. I will write 8, then 1 carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 1, 41. We get 4185. But this 4185 is greater than this 3682. That's why we have to consider 837 4s. 4 is the leftmost quotient. 3348. 12 minus 8, 4, 7 minus 4, 3, 6 minus 3, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Now we have to bring down this 5. Now we have to consider 3345 as dividend. We have to find out which number is near or less than this 3345 in the table of 837. We know students, 837 4s are, that is 3348, right? But this 3348 is greater than this 3345. So that's why we have to check with 837 3s are. 837 into 3. 3 7s are 21, then 1, 2 carry, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11. I will write 1, then 1 carry, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. We get 2511. 3 is the quotient, then 2511. Now we have to subtract 2511 from this 3345. 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 5, that is 13 minus 5, we get 8. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have to bring down this 7. Now we have to consider 8347 as dividend. Let's find out which number is less than or near to this 8347 in the table of 837. Students, if you consider the 837 tens, we get 8370, right? That 8370 is greater than this 8347. So let's check 837 9s are. 9 7s are 63, 3 then 6 carry, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 6, that is 33, 3 then 3 carry over, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 3, 75. We get 7533. We can consider 7533. 9 is the quotient, 7533. We have to subtract 7533 from this 8347. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 5. We cannot subtract 5 from this 3. because 5 is greater than this 3. That's why we have to take borrow from this 8. 13 minus 5, that is 8. 7 minus 7, 0, 0. Now we have to bring down this 9. Now we have to consider the 8149 as dividend. Students, we know that 837 nines are, that is 7533. If we consider the 837 tens are, that is 8370. Right, that 8370 is greater than this 8149. That's why we have to consider 837 nines are, that is 7533, 9 as a quotient, then 7533. 9 minus 3, 6, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 minus 5. That means 11 minus 5, 6, 7 minus 7, 0. We get 616. We cannot divide 616 by this 837. Okay, we get 616 as remainder and 4399 as quotient. Like this, we can divide 7-digit number by a 3-digit number. A kite maker uses 18 sticks to make one kite. How many kites can he make with 1,368 sticks? ಒಬ್ಬ ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಮಾಡುವವನು 18 ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಗಾಳಿಪಟವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅವನು 1,368 ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಳಿಪಟವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 1,368 by this 18. 18 as a divisor, 1,368 is dividend. Okay, here we have to consider 3 leftmost digit of the dividend. 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108. That 108 is greater than this 100. That's why we have to consider 18 5s are 90, 5 as quotient, then 90. 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 9, 1. We have to bring down this 3. Now we have to consider 103 as dividend. Okay, 18 6 are 108. That 108 is greater than this 103. That's why we have to consider 18 5s are, that is 90, 5 as quotient, then 90. 3 minus 0, 3, 10 minus 9, 1. We have to bring down this 6. 136. 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108, 18 7s are 126, 18 8s are 144. 18 8s are 144 is greater than this 136. That's why we have to consider 18 7s are, that is 126. 7 is the quotient, then 126. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. We have to bring down this 8. 108. This 108 is directly divided by this 18. That is 18 6 are 108. 6 is the quotient, then 108. 8 minus 8, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. We get 0 as remainder and 5576 as quotient. 5576 kites can be made by the kite maker using 1,368 sticks. Have you understand, students? I hope you all are clear about how to divide 6 and 7-digit number by a 2-digit number, and also how to divide 7-digit number by a 3-digit number. Thank you.